Tick, what the girl them talk? Oh, boom. Know what's going on? Yeah? Know what's going on? BisTo Sunday roast of business. Yeah? This is what man are reviewing. 15 minutes in the microwave. Wish me fucking luck. Yeah, let's poke up. Where's the ratio? Yeah, 15 minutes in the microwave. That is it. Go to the 15 mark. Bam! I'll be honest. This ain't smelling good, you know. So here we go. Yeah, got my Sunday roast. Yeah, I got my can. Thanks, me Julie. Oh my god. Oh my, 15 minutes and Jesus, this is what people really eat. Fucking hell, god. Alright, wish me some form of how do people eat this shit, bro? How's it all stuck together? How they putting the one dead piece of chicken? Oh, bro, look at the dead piece of chicken. Oh, for fuck's sake, man. I don't even want to fucking eat this, bud. No one's forcing me to do this shit either. Bro, how are you just giving man the dead piece of non-seasoned chicken breast, bro? In fucking gravy, bro. What the fuck, bro? Look at the fucking, look how hard the stuffing is, bro. You know, like when the man am trying to sell you, one's in, look, bro. Nah. BisTo, fuck off. That is not it. Cheeky swig of